Hello, my name is Gary Nichols. I'm from Acton, California, near Los Angeles, and I researched G4 Golpa for a couple of years, and I finally decided I was going to go and do it. And I was so nervous, and I was afraid, and everybody here made me feel so at ease, and everything they told me happened. It's not like nobody told me one even half truth, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. If it's not going to work, it's not going to work, okay. I was ready for that, but it came out way beyond my expectations. And I'm so relieved and happy to have a second chance with my teeth. And you can believe everything they tell you at Golpa. And they are just, they are masters at this craft. I couldn't be happier, and find a way. If you have dental problems, come to G4. This is one of the happiest times of my life. I've been dealing with it for 40 years, and this is the result in one day. One day. And that's about all I got. And they're all so nice, particularly the doctors, Kat, everybody. It's just the greatest thing. And you too, Carlos.
Awesome.
Yeah, that's about all I got to say. This is the place.